Alright guys, so we arrive at the waterfront. It's sunny, but it's a little chilly and it's windy. Alright, so, and they did, let me show you guys around. So they did, they redo this waterfront. You can see, you know, all the way from there, and then the Ferris wheel, and then of course the aquarium, and then you can go. So that's looks like a new Seattle aquarium, and then we're gonna walk all the way up that way to the new extended waterfront. Okay. All right. So let me show you guys here. Get to actually the waterfront. Show you the scenery here. So this whole front, all the way that way, they redo the whole thing. All right. So then up there you can see that's where we're gonna go next. So let me show you guys all the way from the new remodel here. They did it real nice. So this whole thing, they opened this whole thing up. You know, all the way up there. Alright, so yeah, I like how they did it. It's really nice. And usually you walk that all the way down there. That's where we're gonna go. Okay. And of course, usually you can always walk all the way down that way too. Yeah, it's very nice. Love it here. They did a great job. So where I'm standing here, all right, this is also brand new. So this whole thing is brand new. Okay. See, they built that whole thing there, right there. Those are brand new. And then they built a playground here for the kids to play. It's very nice. That's brand new also. See the Ferris wheel up there. Yeah, I like it here. It's very nice. Yeah. See up there, so we're right next to it right there. Alright. I'll show you guys here.
You okay? You okay? You ready to go? Let's go get.
I'll show you guys. So this is the old aquarium here. Alright, and then that one there. So that's a brand new aquariums, and then they build the extended up there, so you can you go up that way to the Pike Street Market. That way you're going up again to the Pike Street Market, and you can actually walk out from that way also. Alright, so that's where we're gonna go next. Okay. So I'm gonna walk to the front there. Yeah, I think we can actually go up. We'll see. Up there. Alright. So that's the Pike Street Market up there. Show you guys. So this whole thing here. So that's the brand new that they built all the way up there. You can cross that way, go to Pike Street, and this is the back side of the new aquarium, right? You can walk up that way. You can go up that way just like the way those folks does there. All right. So this is also you can walk down that way, coming down this way. It's pretty nice. They expand these whole things right here. Okay. And that is the Again, from this side is the old aquarium. You can see from that side. And then so what we're going to do, we're going to walk that way. Again, they expand this whole thing. So what you guys seeing right now, it is a brand new expansion. All right. And then stand from this way. You can come down from there. Okay, you walk through that way. So we're gonna try to go up there in a little bit. Okay, so these are all brand new expansion here at the waterfront. All right. So I'm gonna walk through this way.
Oh, thank you.
And here's all the expansion. This is also brand new right here. Alright. So when I get up there, I will show you guys from the top view. Okay. So Pier 62. So this here is probably, so it's closed. So it's like it's the boat, you know, docking here, so you can go down all the way down there, but they close right now. Okay, so yeah, this is brand new, and I'm glad I've seen other folks posted of this place, and I always want to come here and see what it's like. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful place, beautiful expansion here. You can also play checkers, and you can play chess and all this stuff. I don't know how to play none of that stuff. We got games here, you can play there. Okay. Checkers on that side. So usually they have stuff going on. So today, today's Thursday. It's kind of quiet. I think weekends probably a lot more people. So you can sit up front there, kind of watch. And you can also look from this side. So looking out this way. Again, they closed this docking there because I think you can also walk there if you want. Okay, so let's give you a little view from here. Expansion dock here. Alright. Standing from here. So it's there. Alright guys, so that's about it at the waterfront. Next we are going to try to walk through the Pike Street Market. We're going to try to go up those stairs. Okay? Alright. Alright guys, so we're walking back up. We're going to try to go up those stairs. I'm not sure. So we're going to do, and then I'm going to go up that way. I think that's where the Pike Street Market's at, from this new expansion of the waterfront. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna walk up here, and it's gonna be slow, I think. Alright, so we're going up the stairs here. Jam tích đấy. Alright, so I'll show you guys from the top view here. So I'm in the mid. Alright, so we're kind of halfway. Okay. So that's from the top. Alright. It's supposed to just go down. And we went there, so that's the expansion. All the way there. Alright, we'll keep going. Alright, I'm almost to the top. As I was looking back down there. And you can also coming up from this side, from the aquarium there. It's coming that side too. Alright. And then we're gonna explore stuff up there a little bit, and then we're gonna the Pike Street Market. Alright. Show you guys from, you can see way back there behind me. Oh, you can see that there. Okay. And then you can walk up this way. You can see here. And then kind of show you guys from this side. So this side there, you can walk up from that way all the way down. That way. Yeah. Pretty nice there way. And so this here, you can have this is also brand new.
Look at the needle. Yeah.
See all of these. People can sit down here. It's pretty nice. Oh, shoot. So this is also brand new. Up front here. Okay. And I think, yeah, we can take the elevator down that way. And that side. You see they have the elevator there. We can go down. Alright, so this is also a new place here. They also designed this thing here too. Alright. It's kind of a different area. I'll try to give you guys the overview. That way. So this is I'm standing in the back side here. You can see they designed that whole thing's there. Alright. There's another thing in there. Of course, you can walk up that way. Oh, let me show you guys here. So here's looking from the top. So here's another level. You see back there. That's where I'm. And then the stairs going down. Okay, and that's where we went back there. And this is a new things when they designed this here. Okay, so you can actually coming up the elevator is that way. And then you just walk this way, and then you can go that way. And then that's where and then you can see up there. You see all the way up there. There's a lot of people up there. That's getting to the Pike Street Market, and I think that's where we're gonna go next. Okay. That's where we're going.
Yo, we should head to your 6.
here. That's bigger.
It's like
We're going up. Some more stairs going up. Here. Alright. Ooh, it's a lot of stairs. Going up the stairs here. And you get to the entrance to the Pike Street Market. They have a different entrance than the last time. Alright, so I'm nearly the top. So I'm going to show you guys. You go down this way, down that way, and it's where we came from. Yeah, can't see here. Alright, so this is getting to the top.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.